Let's take a look at the best Bluebird stories ever told.
Let's do that. The story begins in our wildlife habitat of a backyard. You'll see the product of an amazing accomplishment by Mr. and Mrs. Bluebird.
Rain or shine, Mrs. Bluebird took 6 days to build her nest.
She laid 1 egg every day for 5 days and incubated them for 2 weeks. I think Peter Rabbit was excited about the new arrivals too. And then they hatched.
Don't they look like strange little tadpoles?
They do. They were fed at least twice an hour by both parents.
Mrs. Bluebird will sit on the broods to regulate their temperature for at least 6 days.
On day 4, feather sheaths begin to emerge on the wings, and those sweet button eyes will start to open.
The nestlings should weigh at least 25 grams, and feeding visits are about every 5 minutes.
This is the time the nestlings start to preen, pulling at their feathers, hopping and stretching to strengthen their little muscles. They are now completely feathered. You can even see the speckled gray spots on their little bodies. When they're not feeding, the bluebird parents are fastidious about keeping that nest clean. Fecal sacs are carried far away from the nest, too. Day 12 is the last day we can safely open the box. Everyone looks good, but a bit crowded. You can tell the little babies are planning, strategizing, and thinking over the situation. Here's another nutritious feeding from Papa. Meet the face of determination, who was the first to leave the nest. We understand that the parents load up on feeding prior to fledgling time. We could hear the calls from the parents in the trees to come join them in the new world. Incredibly, all 5 popped out in over an hour. After 4 weeks of learning to fly within the tree canopy, the juveniles are brought back for some of our yummy homemade suet. We invite you to check out our YouTube channel for more backyard amazing adventures.